The Green It Vertical has been developed in a cooperation between architects, building constructors, engineers, landscape architects, gardeners and growers. So we have a lot of specialists that have put each of their fields into this product. In that way, we have a holistic perspective of making the best product possible.
In the design phase, we have been talking design to disassembly. We are talking cradle to cradle. That means that it's very, very important that we're not doing something bad for the future just to have a green facade for the next many years. We have to think on next life, we have to think about the resources, and that's been a very, very important part in the design process.
The Green It Vertical is a full package system solution where we support the architects, developers, contractors all the way. We are part of the design phase. We produce the green facade, we install it, we monitor it during its lifetime, and we facilitate the maintenance agreements as well. It's your guarantee for having a healthy and well-functioning green facade.
Complement is having 50 to 80 different designs you can choose between. And all of them you can actually get also with an element of green facades. So you can put in a part of your facade as a vertical garden.
You can both choose the front material and you can also choose plant concepts that can either enhance biodiversity or they can have low maintenance or whatever you wish. Every project where the Green It Vertical is used is unique. So therefore we have specialized gardeners to handpick all plants. So we secure that we have the right plants and the right plant compositions for each project. Using natural materials that are very absorbent and have a high capillary force makes us able to have a total even moist level on a very large area. That's an advantage because we need less irrigation techniques, but it's also an advantage because the plants can have a bigger surface that they can use for root volume. In that way, we make sure that you have a green and vital facade that's beautiful for decades.